Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If you've ever wanted a font like this, it's all capitals, but the first letter is a bigger capital. If you'll just type it out in any, small caps or not small caps, but small letters, take your text tool and highlight this. You come up with this little arrow, and right here you can go small caps. Then take it while you still got it selected and go up to text, change the case to title case, and look at that, you get that. Pretty easy steps if you've ever need to do that. So just, let's back up, do that one more time. That was so easy. So I've got it small. I'm going to highlight it all with my text tool, and I've got that, and there's a lot of different things you can do, but here's small caps, and that made all of them capital. And then go to text, writing tools, change case, and then make it title case, and it'll put that up there. That's pretty cool, pretty easy. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.